Hi guys, welcome to my Lorentix channel. This video is thanks to PETLIBRO. They sent us something for Candy, my dog. Let's discover together what it is. It is a Granary automatic pet feeder. If you want to buy this automatic pet feeder, you can visit the website, Amazon, and Instagram. And we have a discount with 15% for you. The code on the screen. All information will be down in my description box. It has a lid with lock, which is turned to open. Inside comes the user guide kit, the charger. This other lid has a lock in both sides. It's pressed to open. And also we have a stainless steel plate and a holder. This is the power adapter, and it's pretty long. And this is very detailed user guide kit where you can read how to assemble and program. In the bottom, you have the option to place 3 batteries, and there is the speaker. The cable is connected here. Now we are going to assemble again. This stainless steel plate is placed on the black one that has a hook to hook it into the automatic feeder. Now let's place the lid and we are gonna see how it works. I forgot to tell you, this part is also removed and you can wash them perfectly, and it's easy to put on. On the lid, there is a charcoal filter to remove any bad odors. Okay, she's Candy, my Coton de Tulear. She's my model today, and we are going to place her kibbles inside the automatic pet feeder. And remember that you have a measure to fill this out and you must respect it. I will press the unlock button for 3 seconds until it beeps. The first thing I will do is record an audio inviting Candy to eat. Candy, it's time to eat. Come here. Bon appetit. Muy bien. This will be recorded, and every time the food dispenser throws food, she will listen to my audio twice. And remember to introduce new products with your animals with patience, games, rewarding, and love. Now I'm going to set the hours I want Candy to eat. This is an example, okay? 10 a.m. for her breakfast with 2 servings that are equivalent to 1 cup of the measure that I'm using with Candy according to her weight, okay? Then 4 p.m. with 2 servings. And 10 p.m. with 1 serving as a snack. Then in each time setting, I will record audios. Yes, they can be different and the audio will be repeated twice. Candy, come here. Time to eat. Bon appetit. Muy bien. Candy, come here. Time to eat. At this time, I can say my girl Candy approved, accepted, and love her new food dispenser. Okay, we set the time and we are ready to test the automatic pet feeder. It's already 4 p.m. and the food dispenser threw her dinner at the time with 2 servings. Guys, I hope you like this video. Subscribe to my channel if you are new today, and follow me on my social media. See you next time. Bye-bye.